ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते टाइम कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि फोटो में ड्रेस एकदम परफेक्ट लग रही थी, पर जब पार्सल खोला तो क्वालिटी बिल्कुल बेकार निकली। सेम वे रीट्स भी प्रॉफिटेबल लग सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर रिस्क समझे बिना इन्वेस्ट किया तो रिटर्न्स पर बुरा इम्पैक्ट पड़ सकता है। वेलकम बैक टू आवर रीट सीरीज। इन द लास्ट एपिसोड वी कवर्ड व्हाट रीट्स आर and how they generate income. Today, we will discuss about the risks involved and the key factors you must consider before investing in REITs. Now, let's understand the risks of REITs. Interest rate risk. When interest rates rise, investors often switch to safer fixed income options. This can reduce demand for REITs, impacting their prices. Market risk. Just like stocks, REIT prices can fluctuate. Factors like economic slowdowns, pandemics, or property oversupply can lower real estate values and affect your returns. The next one is regulatory risk. Government policy changes can hit REIT profits. For example, if property taxes increase or rent control laws tighten, REIT income could take a hit. Suppose an office space focused REIT earns ₹100 crore annually from rentals, and commercial property taxes increase by 20%, adding an extra ₹5 crore in costs. Then net profit could drop significantly, reducing dividends for investors. Next is key investment considerations. First, investment horizon. REITs are ideal for long-term investors seeking stable income. Since property markets can fluctuate, staying invested for several years helps ride out market volatility. Second, performance check. Always review key indicators like dividend yield, occupancy rates, and historical returns. A strong occupancy rate that is above 90% signals stable rental income. Next, tax efficiency and diversification. Another key factor to consider is tax efficiency. REITs distribute a major portion of their income as dividends, which may be taxed differently than capital gains. Additionally, investing in different types of REITs like office, retail, and industrial can help diversify risk and balance your portfolio. REITs offer a great way to invest in real estate, but understanding the risks is key. Better investing is all about research and risk awareness. Stay tuned for our next episode where we will explain how to invest in REITs and build a winning portfolio. For more such financial videos, keep following Yes Securities. See you in the next episode.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.